Hi everybody, Linda Chu here with Out of Chaos. I've been often asked what these attachments are to the flaps of packing boxes. So let me show you. These flaps that are attached are to help you to keep the flaps down when the box is made, so the flaps are not in your way. So for example, and how do you put them together? So I'll show you here. So to hold them against you for sturdiness, as you hold the flaps with the attachment in place down, you fold one side down, flip around, hold another side flap down, and then square off your box. So now you see the flaps of your boxes are not sticking up and in the way. Turn that around, keeping the box squared off, and then you're gonna seal your box together. I'll just use one piece of tape just for demonstration purposes. With your box made and your flaps are together, you'll see that the flap is in place and it's not double high in your box. So when you're filling the box, you're not nose diving inside to try and get your contents done. So this is a quick and easy tip on how to put these together and why these attached flaps are in place for you. Thanks, and tune again next time.